Where were you last night? Where were you last night?
I was at home. I was at home.
What were you doing? What were you doing?
I was sleeping in bed. I was sleeping in bed.
Did you go to the market? Did you go to the market?
Yes, I went to the market. Yes, I went to the market.
When did you go to the market? When did you go to the market?
I went to the market in the evening. I went to the market in the evening.
Did you go alone? Did you go alone?
No, I went with my sister. No, I went with my sister.
Who accompanied you? Who accompanied you?
My sister accompanied me. My sister accompanied me.
What was she wearing? What was she wearing?
She was wearing a top and a skirt. She was wearing a top and a skirt.
Was your sister the one in the red skirt? Was your sister the one in the red skirt?
No, she was the one in the blue skirt. No, she was the one in the blue skirt.
What did you buy from the market? What did you buy from the market?
We bought chocolate and chips from the market. We bought chocolate and chips from the market.
How did you go there? How did you go there?
We went walking. We went walking.
How did you come back? How did you come back?
We came back by bus. We came back by bus.
Did you find everything you needed at the market? Did you find everything you needed at the market?
Yes, we found everything there. Yes, we found everything there.
Were the goods expensive? Were the goods expensive?
Yes, they were rather expensive. Yes, they were rather expensive.
Where was your dad yesterday? Where was your dad yesterday?
My dad went to the office. My dad went to the office.
How did he go to the office? How did he go to the office?
He went to the office in his car. He went to the office in his car.
Did your mom go to work yesterday? Did your mom go to work yesterday?
No, she stayed at home. No, she stayed at home.
Why didn't she go to the office? Why didn't she go to the office?
She didn't go because it was her day off. She didn't go because it was her day off.
What did you have for dinner last night? What did you have for dinner last night?
We had chicken for dinner last night. We had chicken for dinner last night.
Who cooked dinner? Who cooked dinner?
My mom cooked dinner. My mom cooked dinner.
Did you help her cook dinner? Did you help her cook dinner?
No, I didn't help her. No, I didn't help her.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I watched TV. I watched TV.
Did you go to bed early last night? Did you go to bed early last night?
No, I went to bed late. No, I went to bed late.
Where did you go on the weekend? Where did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park. I went to the park.
With whom did you go there? With whom did you go there?
I went there with my family. I went there with my family.
Did you clean your room this morning? Did you clean your room this morning?
No, I didn't clean it. No, I didn't clean it.
Why didn't you clean your room? Why didn't you clean your room?
I didn't clean it because I didn't have the time. I didn't clean it because I didn't have the time.
What time did you wake up yesterday? What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7:30 a.m. I woke up at 7:30 a.m.
Did you visit a friend last week? Did you visit a friend last week?
Yes, I visited my best friend. Yes, I visited my best friend.
How did you both feel when you met? How did you both feel when you met?
We both felt ecstatic. We both felt ecstatic.
What did you eat for breakfast today? What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had cereal. I had cereal.
Did you play games with your siblings? Did you play games with your siblings?
No, I didn't play any games. No, I didn't play any games.
Where did you travel on your last vacation? Where did you travel on your last vacation?
I went to the beach. I went to the beach.
Did you study English last night? Did you study English last night?
Yes, I studied for an hour. Yes, I studied for an hour.
What did you wear to the party? What did you wear to the party?
I wore a formal dress. I wore a formal dress.
Did you take a shower this morning? Did you take a shower this morning?
Yes, I took a shower. Yes, I took a shower.
What movie did you watch last weekend? What movie did you watch last weekend?
I watched a comedy. I watched a comedy.
Did you water the plants in your garden? Did you water the plants in your garden?
No, I forgot to water them. No, I forgot to water them.
Where did you find your lost keys? Where did you find your lost keys?
I found them in the kitchen. I found them in the kitchen.
Did you visit a museum last month? Did you visit a museum last month?
No, I didn't visit any museums. No, I didn't visit any museums.
What did you drink with dinner last night? What did you drink with dinner last night?
I had water. I had water.
Did you read a book before bedtime? Did you read a book before bedtime?
Yes, I read a novel. Yes, I read a novel.
Where did you meet your best friend? Where did you meet your best friend?
I met my best friend at school. I met my best friend at school.
Did you help your parents with chores? Did you help your parents with chores?
Yes, I helped with the dishes. Yes, I helped with the dishes.
What did you have for lunch yesterday? What did you have for lunch yesterday?
I had a sandwich. I had a sandwich.
Did you watch a soccer game on TV? Did you watch a soccer game on TV?
No, I didn't watch any games. No, I didn't watch any games.
Where did you go on your last birthday? Where did you go on your last birthday?
I went to a restaurant. I went to a restaurant.
Did you throw a birthday party? Did you throw a birthday party?
Yes, I threw a party on my last birthday. Yes, I threw a party on my last birthday.
Whom did you invite? Whom did you invite?
I invited my friends and family. I invited my friends and family.
Did you listen to music in the car? Did you listen to music in the car?
Yes, I listened to my favorite songs. Yes, I listened to my favorite songs.
What did you draw in your art class? What did you draw in your art class?
I drew a beautiful sunset. I drew a beautiful sunset.
Did you visit the zoo last weekend? Did you visit the zoo last weekend?
No, I didn't go to the zoo. No, I didn't go to the zoo.
Where did you go instead? Where did you go instead?
I went to the park with my friend. I went to the park with my friend.
Where did you go shopping last weekend? Where did you go shopping last weekend?
I went to the mall. I went to the mall.
Did you bike to the park yesterday? Did you bike to the park yesterday?
Yes, I rode my bike. Yes, I rode my bike.
What did you bake for the bake sale? What did you bake for the bake sale?
I baked cookies. I baked cookies.
Did you swim in the pool on a hot day? Did you swim in the pool on a hot day?
No, I didn't swim. No, I didn't swim.
Where did you buy your new shoes? Where did you buy your new shoes?
I bought them at the store. I bought them at the store.
Did you play with your dog in the garden? Did you play with your dog in the garden?
Yes, I played fetch. Yes, I played fetch.
Did you attend the party last night? Did you attend the party last night?
Yes, I attended a party last night. Yes, I attended a party last night.
How was the party? How was the party?
It was fabulous. It was fabulous.
What did you have for dessert at the party? What did you have for dessert at the party?
I had custard apple. I had custard apple.
Did you go for a walk in the evening? Did you go for a walk in the evening?
No, I stayed home. No, I stayed home.
Where did you go for the family picnic? Where did you go for the family picnic?
We went to the park. We went to the park.
Was it fun? Was it fun?
Yes, we had a lot of fun. Yes,